Welcome to the ultimate AppPlayer guide. Discover how AppPlayer transforms IPTV viewing. What is IPTV and why does it matter? Let's explore 2tv.store as the top choice. First, download AppPlayer to your device. Install the application with these simple steps. Creating an account is quick and easy. Now, let's log into your new account. Get ready to explore amazing channels. Check out popular shows and movies available. Don't miss out on live sports coverage. Explore easy navigation features in AppPlayer. Need help? Troubleshooting common issues. Follow quick troubleshooting tips for smooth streaming. Want more tips? Follow our future videos. Understanding how to optimize your settings. Customize your channel lineup with favorites. The best part? Access on various devices. Finally, evaluate your streaming performance. Join the AppPlayer community for updates. Remember to subscribe for exciting content. Leave questions or comments below this video. Share this video with friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you next time.